Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. For tonight's dish, I am going to make something that easy that is easy, pork and vegetables that what I have in my fridge, because guys, it is snowing outside. So they said here in Georgia, if it snows, most of the stores are closed, so we don't really have much in our fridge. So I have to create something or make something of what I have in my fridge. And the only thing I have in my fridge are carrots, potato, celery, and bell pepper. Oh my goodness, I need to go shopping. Maybe one of these days, guys, when I go shopping, grocery shopping, I'll vlog over there so I can show you where I get my stuff. But yeah, for tonight's dish, it will be a boring boring. There's nothing boring in my cooking. Pork afritada. I made some chicken afritada before, but this one I'm going to make pork, and I just marinate my pork with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, and I think a little bit of soy sauce actually. So, but anyways, yes, we're having afritada, pork afritada, because that's all I have in my fridge, and it matches my outfit again there. And this one. So, but anyway guys, that's some of our ingredients. I have onion, garlic, celery, bell pepper, potatoes, carrots, bay leaves, and then the pork, water, sugar, because I'm using about a teaspoon or a tablespoon of our tomato paste. That's why I have sugar, salt and pepper, chicken, bouillon powder, liquid seasoning, and achouette, ketchup, and olive oil. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pan fry the potatoes, because I like it when it's pan fried. That's what I'm going to do. Let's cook our afritada because I am hungry. Oh guys, I wanted to make some sinigang because it's really cold outside, so I wanted some soupy dish, but I do not have ingredients for sinigang. So maybe I should make some nilaga. At least I have potato, and that's all I have for nilaga. But that's why I cannot make nilaga also. So let's stick to what we have and what we can use. And besides guys, I need to use all of this anyway before it goes bad. So I'm just gonna cook this golden brown, guys. I decided to do the same thing to the carrots. Olive oil. I'm gonna put the garlic. Onions. Pork. Put the achouette. Then I'm going to put some tomato paste. And ketchup. Liquid nor seasoning. If you don't have this, guys, you can use soy sauce. A little bit of salt, lots of pepper, a little bit of chicken powder, the sugar. We'll try that much first. That's probably about a tablespoon. Then we'll put our water. I'm going to put the bay leaves now. And I'm going to boil that until the pork is very tender. I'm going to put the celery and the pepper, guys. The bell pepper. I wanted like green bell pepper, but I don't have some. The potatoes and the carrots are already tender because we fried it, so that doesn't need a lot of cooking because I don't like it really mushy or soft. Okay, now that the broth is a little thicker, I'm going to put the carrots and potatoes. And I'm going to turn the heat off now too, because I don't want to cook the potatoes too long. And that's it, guys. It is done. Take a look at that. So colorful. And it's still snowing outside. What's the snow got to do with my dish? And of course my rice is waiting. So guys, I tasted it already and OMG, I think I like pork better than chicken afritada. Look how beautiful the sauce. Time to eat. Kain tayo. It smells like afritada. So guys, before I made some chicken afritada and I'm not really happy with it. But this one, I think I'm gonna like it better because it's pork. And it smells so yummy. It matches my top blouse. So let us try some. This is the amount of my rice. looks like for a 2 years old child. I'm going to get the one with the fat, of course. Let's try the potato first. Perfect. And the carrots. The carrot is soft outside, but the middle is crunchy, which is perfect. Let us try the pork. The sauce is really delicious, guys. Try the pork first by itself. I wonder why. Just a different meat that you use, but it's the same dish, like afritada, but different meat. Did I say that right? Different meat, but the same dish. Yeah, afritada comes out really different, because the one that I made for our New Year, yeah, for our New Year's Day meal, or New Year's Eve, yeah, New Year's Eve meal, that was chicken, and I don't really like it. I mean, it's not that I don't really like it, it's I like the pork better. This is what I want to say. So we'll try some with rice and the sauce. It's so yummy. See guys, it's better if you fry it tastes better if you fry the carrots and the potatoes. It has a better flavor. When I said that a boring afritada, it actually tastes really yummy. So, but anyway guys, again, I'm going to say I'm going to enjoy. That's why I have to say bye for now. Comment down below and let me know guys, what meat do you want to use for your afritada? Would you like pork? Would you like chicken? Or would you like beef? Did I make beef afritada before? I can't remember. So maybe we'll try beef afritada next time. So, but anyway guys, kain tayo, and I'm going to finish my rice. So, guys, if you are new to this channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys again later on our next video. Bye for now.